Hi everyone! This video is an extract from a recent Zoom class where we did the seated version of 8 pieces of brocade. Enjoy your practice. So we're all familiar with 8 pieces of brocade with those arms standing up. It's a fantastic routine, but seated version is just as good. So feet parallel, make sure you have a little bit of weight slightly forward so you actually feel your feet on the ground. They're not cut off at the hips. That's why it's better to sit at the front of the chair. Also, your spine is nice and straight and feel the bottom of your torso. So this is kind of your root. So this is your foundation. Relax your shoulders. And let's just take a couple of deep breaths to get us settled, prepare us for the routine. Breathing deeper into the abdomen if you can. Keep your chest nice and relaxed. So breathe in through the nose into your belly. Exhale, feel the belly moving towards the lower back. Let's do nose to calm us down, to get settled. Into the belly. One more time, breathe in. And out. Very good. And go ahead and interlace the fingers. We're going to lift, turn, and look up. Lengthening through the front. Then relax your neck. Move your hands directly above the crown of the head and through your entire spine. Lengthen upwards. As if you're pulling yourself by the crown of the head. Release and let everything relax. Then interlace your fingers. So we're going to do it as a flow. Look up, press out. Feel the front of the body lengthening as you're lifting your chin, opening through the chest and your neck. Relax. Then move your attention to your spine and the crown of the head, all the way from the tailbone. Nice long spine. Release and soften. Relaxing your shoulders, down your arms, down the back and the sides of the body. Interlace your fingers. Go up. Make sure your spine, make sure your back is nice and flat. There's no arches. Relax. Lift. Open, open, open. Relax. And soften. One more time. Up. Down. Top of the head. Nice straight spine. Opening, opening, opening. Release and relax. Let your hands rest just for a moment. Feel the relaxation flowing down your arms. Then go ahead and cross your hands in front of your chest. Open to the side. Your head turns to look at your arm. Pull to the other side. Draw a bow and shoot an arrow. Open your hand as you look to the other side. And soften as you bring your hands, making like a nice round shape in front of the chest before you relax. Then you scoop again. This time turning to the other way, to the other side. Pull across. Open Feel a pleasant stretch across your chest. Then release, round up, and relax. One more time. On each side, so we're gonna open. Really opening through your chest. Then to the other side. Round up. Here's the time to relax, feel that softness, feel the flow, and let it all down. One more time. We scoop. We open. Gazing far into the distance between your fingers. Open to the other side. Give yourself a good stretch here before you relax fully and soften. Again, take a moment here to notice what this exercise gave you, focusing on the upper back, your chest and your arms. Then go ahead and bring your hands again to the center of your chest. You might already feel the energy building up between your palms. Then separate. One goes up, another one will press down by the hip, connecting heaven and earth, and make sure your lower back is nice and flat. Sitting kind of grounded, if you can say that. Release. Bring the hands back to center. And do the same on the other side. Press upwards. Very good. Back to center. Here, you don't have to stretch too far. You know, you can really feel to what point you want to go. It's just nice sometimes to stretch, but not force it, not strain. Stay soft in your body. Let's do one more. As soon as you feel that opening, you can stop. Very good. Then bring your hands down. Both facing the ground. And let them rest. Again, take a moment to feel the sides of your body or area that responded, area that kind of, I don't know, lost for words. Next one is focusing on opening through the chest. It's a very good exercise. So we're gonna open the hands and rotate the wrist, rotate the palms. Look behind your shoulder as you're opening through your chest. Release, draw the hands in without putting them on your thighs. Go and open to the other side. There'll be a natural curve at your back, that's okay. Just stay mindful how far you go. Relax, open. The head follows to look at your fingers. Release. Back. Arms straight, chest open. And way back. This time, relax your hands down. Relax your chest, upper back, between the shoulder blades. Make sure your lower back is nice and relaxed. Very good. Then go ahead and make your legs a little wider. Shake the head and wig the tail. So we're going to drop the chest forward, and then by straightening one elbow, like you're almost pushing against, turn to look at your tail. So head one way, tailbone the other. A little bit of exaggeration, but use your creative mind to actually experience that. So we're looking over the shoulder, and feel that stretch at your back. Then we release, we roll to the other side. One elbow bend, another one straight. Push against your knee as you look behind. That's a good stretch to do at your desk as well. So when we continue changing sides, nice and easy. One more time here. Look behind, back to center, and stand up or sit up. Bring your hands closer and take a moment here again to relax all the muscles down your back. Just stay here and feel the response. Feel the area that we worked with. Feel the warmth spreading throughout. Then go ahead and raise your hands through the sides all the way to the top. Lower them down in the center. Flip as you pass the chest. Bring them to the kidneys. And here we're going to push the lower back forward. Look up. Release. We're back to straight. And slide down. Usually we go the back of the legs, but now we're going to go the sides of the legs. Brush your toes and place your hands on top of your feet. Hands go first, nice straight line, following all the way to the top. Look up before you relax and bring your hands back through the center and join it to the movement. Slide to the back, hands on the kidneys, push forward, look up. Draw your shoulders to the back for extra stretch, for extra opening of the chest. Release, we're back to straight. Go down the sides of the legs. Brush your toes, hands are flat, and then extend your arms, nice straight spine. Look up before you relax everything. Calm down. We do two more, so flip your hands, brush the ribs to the kidneys, go forward. Release, nice lower back, nice and flat. Brush the sides of the legs. Now your belly is kind of resting on top of your thighs or between. Lower back is nice and flat. Arms forward. Look up. Relax. Feel that relaxation. This is the best part. And we do one more. Move to the back. Forward. Release. Go down. Straight back, long arms, go up. Look up for a second and then soften. This time relaxing all the way down and letting your hands rest on top of your thighs. Relax here, checking in with your spine, with your sitting position, rooting through the bottom of the torso while still feeling your feet and your legs on the ground. Then make your hands into loose fist. Let them rest by the last rib, last floating rib, roughly around this area. Okay, starting with the right or left, it's up to you. If you want to mirror me, I'm going right, turn, spiral, as if you're gathering the energy into your hand and then draw it to the body. Extend with a little resistance, it's like you're angry. But then you soften, relax your eyes and draw it in. As you punch, look at your fist, turn, then relax, spiral in, extend, turn, spiral, gathering fresh chi in your hands, extend, spiral. If your hands are nice and warm, concentrate on that warmth, extend, spiral, and bring in. That was the last one. Then draw the elbows to the back, open the chest, and then push forward, relax. Let your hands relax on top of your thighs, soften, let your arms relax. Okay, then bring your feet closer together. The last one is where we lift the shoulders and lift the heels off the ground. Same time, simultaneously. So you can let the hands rest by the side if you want to. So lift, 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 and then we also do it standing up. But here, see if you can experience similar sensations, like you're letting everything go and you're creating that vibration through your body. Go up and down. Go up and down. Go up and down. One more time. Go up and down. Very, very good. From here, take a nice deep breath in, gather the energy around you, and let's pour it down. Fill in the tank with fresh chi. Just let it all sink down, flowing through the center of the body and the crown of the head, distributing all the way to your feet. We breathe in, breathe out. Let it spread throughout. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. This time, guiding your breath, guiding your awareness to the belly. You're hearing your belly talk. Close, just place your hands under your navel, relax your shoulders. Keep your hands here and simply rest in the sensations, in the feelings. And let your hands relax. Thank you for watching. If you want to practice the full routine and join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site on ksenygray.com. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.